Hello, and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 5 minutes to discuss 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers, where we use the forum to discuss the best, highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute as investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum and convert them into short, bite-sized pieces and upload them onto our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to revisit these ideas at your own time and pace. This also makes it easier for you to share these ideas with your friends and get their feedback. Every week, we try to bring you a range of ideas from large caps, small and mid caps, as well as core thematics. Today, we will begin by looking at Shougang Fushan resources. We will then move on to Eisai, and finally, we will look at funds investing in Japan. Let's begin with Shougang Fushan resources. The ticker is 639 Hong Kong, and this is covered by Samir Taneja on the platform. It produces and sells cooking coal products and side products in China. Fundo Sino Life Insurance, a significant shareholder of Shougang Fushan Resources, has sold down its stake in the company by 3.31% to 27.96% as per recent filings. Along with cooking coal prices remaining weak, this creates a massive overhang clubbed with uncertainty on the share price in the short term. Samir estimates that this also creates an opportunity as the stock has almost 70% of its market capitalization in cash, a low-cost advantage, and a dividend yield of at least 12% for financial year 23 estimates. Next, we have Eisai, and the ticker is 4523 Japan, and this is published by Tina Banerjee. Eisai, a leading innovative-driven pharmaceutical company headquartered in Japan with a focus on neurology and oncology, is expected to receive a full approval from the FDA for its Alzheimer's disease drug, Leqembi, as the FDA Advisory Committee voted unanimously in support for the drug. Leqembi application has been granted priority review as well. Once the FDA grants traditional approval, broader medical coverage for Leqembi would be almost immediate. Leqembi is expected to receive approval in Japan, EU, and China in FY24. With these approvals, Leqembi is expected to become one of the top-selling Alzheimer's disease drugs globally. Lastly, we take a look at Japan. This is an insight covered by Stephen Holden. Global active funds make tentative moves back into the Japanese equities after a 5-year decline. Buying is seen in funds such as Daiichi Sankyo, Kensei Corp, and Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, with Japan capturing $1.3 billion of new fund investments since September 22. Ownership levels are still near record lows, with clear potential for further ownership growth from here. If you found the forum useful but have follow-up questions, please feel free to continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope to speak to you next week. Till then, all the best and goodbye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll never miss out on another episode. If you liked these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thank you for watching and see you next week.